Check this out, a massive concrete building just sitting there, and then whoosh, it launches into the sky like a rocket. You've seen those oddly satisfying ASMR videos, or those Bigfoot vlogs that go viral.
What are your thoughts on people saying how Bigfoot decided to wait for AI to become popular so you can post vlogs?
Who said this was AI?
Well, get ready for what could be the next big thing in viral content, making literally anything fly. This has huge potential for explosive growth on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. And you know what viral content means? It means earning potential. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to create this epic effect using the power of Kling AI and then polish it in CapCut PC. Let's get started. Head over to the Kling AI website. It's right there on the left-hand menu. Click on it. We're looking for a very specific one. Scroll down a bit, and there it is. Rocket Rocket. You can't miss it. It's the one with the Arc de Triomphe looking like it's about to enter orbit. Go ahead and click that. Now we're in the effect generator. It's super simple. Step 1, upload your image. I've got this cool photo of a brutalist style building that's just perfect for this. Perfect. Now look at step 2, enter your prompt. The great thing about these effects is that they come with a pre-written prompt designed to work perfectly. It describes the smoke, the launch, all the cool details. Below the prompt, you'll see a drop-down for the mode. We'll stick with standard. It's faster and great for what we need. Hit that big green generate button. Kling AI is now working its magic. You can see the progress bar here. It usually takes about a minute, so just sit tight while the AI cooks up our masterpiece. And there we go. Look at that. The building is now a fully fledged rocket. Let's download this and head over to CapCut to bring it all together. This is where we'll add the final professional touches. Start by dragging your original building image onto the timeline. I'll stretch it out to about 2 seconds. We want to build a little anticipation before the big launch. See that Kling watermark? Let's clean that up. Select the generated video clip, go to the video tab on the right, and scroll down until you find AI Remove. Check that box. CapCut will analyze the video and magically erase the watermark. Give it a moment. And boom, clean as a whistle. Result applied. It's that easy. And here's a final tip for all you creators out there. To make your content longer and more engaging for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, just repeat this process. Find a few different buildings, make them all fly, and stitch the clips together in CapCut. Now for the sound. Go to the Audio tab, and in the Sound Effects section, I'm going to search for a countdown sound. This one here is perfect. Let's drag it onto the timeline and line it up so the launch happens right on go. This is already looking amazing, but I've got one more pro tip to make it even more cinematic. Select the first static image clip. Go back to the video settings on the right. At the very beginning of that clip, click the little diamond icon next to Scale to add a keyframe. Now, move the playhead to the end of that same clip and increase the scale just a little bit, say to 104%. See that? This creates a subtle, slow zoom in that draws the viewer in right before the action kicks off. All right, the editing is done. Let's see the final epic result. And there you have it, a mind-blowing, professional-looking video of a flying building made in just a few minutes. The creative possibilities here are endless. Try it with cars, statues, or maybe even your own house. If you found this tutorial helpful, do me a favor and smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome AI video tricks, and let me know in the comments what you're gonna make fly next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.